So today topic is BGP Border Gateway Protocol. BGP is used to exchange route within AS and between AS. BGP is a layer 7 protocol and uses TCP at layer 4 for transportation. Okay. BGP always perform three-way handshake for communication connection established. BGP uses port number 179 and BGP has two types of neighborship. First one is IBGP, second one is EBGP. IBGP means internal BGP. When we are communicating same as, then BGP neighborship type is IBGP. And EBGP, when we are communicating different AS, then BGP neighborship type is EBGP. Okay, both are performed by using two methods, direct and indirect. Direct means whenever our source and destination both are in same network, the BGP neighborship is direct, and when BGP source and destination both are in different network, that time BGP neighborship is indirect. So I can show this practical IBGP direct and indirect on the GNS3. First I take to router. Configuration mode interface F0 by 0. IP address is 10.0.0.1255. Then shut down. Go on router 2. Configuration mode interface F0 by 0. IP address 10.0.0.255. Now shutdown. Exit. Now we use do write for save the configuration. Okay. So I can write. This one is IBGP means same as, okay, and direct neighborship means same network also. Okay, so here we give AS number is 10 and on this router AS number is 10, means AS is same on both router. Now how we perform BGP router BGP, and it asks about the autonomous system number. So we can give anyone, but I can write here 10. Then here we have to give the IP of neighbor IP. So our neighbor IP 10.0.0.2. After that, it asks about the remote AS. Which AS number is running on this router? So here we have to give 10. Then exit. This command we are using. Firstly, we give router BGP AS number and then this command. Router BGP 10. Neighbor is 10.0.0.1. Remote is 10. Okay. And exit. Wait. Now BGP neighborship is up 10.0.0.1. How we can check? Show IP BGP summary. Our neighbor is 10.0.0.1. Version is 4. AS number is 10. Message received 4. Message sent 4. Okay. And how much time? Here it show the time 20 seconds. Any doubt, ma'am? Indirect. So my IP addressing is done. We have to perform the BGP only. So I can write here router BGP. Then we give AS number is 100. There is two neighbor 10.0.0.2. Remote AS is 100. One more neighbor 20.0.0.3 and remote AS is same. Okay, and exit. Come on the router 2. Router BGP 100. Neighbor is 10.0.0.1. Remote AS 100. Neighbor is 20.0.0.3. Remote AS 100. Wait, wait, wait. Unsupported outbound forward.
Can you just go back? What's that command you type? No show?
Show IP interface brief, bro.
No, you type no show, right?
Do.
Do. What is that? Do show?
Just a minute. Wait. Okay. Now we can see router 3
Can you
become the
show me
neighbor.
the?
Yes.
Can you show me?
Only router 2 become our neighbor. You can check it. Show IP BGP summary. Yes. This one. Only 20.0.0.2 is our neighbor and 10.0.0.1 in the ideal state. On router 2, both are reserved. Router 3 and router 1 both are reserved. for us. And router 1, only router 2 is our neighbor. This one is ideal state. Okay.
But it's telling never idle like that. It is telling it never be idle.
Ideal statement means our neighborship is not up.
But never, even they have mentioned never.
Okay. Only directly connected router become our neighbor on all the router. From router 1, router 2 is our neighbor, but router 3 is down. On router 2, both directly connected router become our neighbor. On router 3, directly connected router 2 become our neighbor, but router 1 is down. We have to perform here routing. Either you perform static routing or dynamic routing for communicate between different networks. Okay, we have to perform routing, either it is static or dynamic. Okay, for communicate between different networks. So now I am going to perform static routing. IP route, in which network we want to communicate? 10 network, so 10.0.0.0. Then we can go give, then here I can give the next hop IP 20.0.0. Okay, now I come on router 1, IP route 20.0.0.0, and then next hop IP 10.0.0.2. Now wait, our neighborship is up. If you want to perform here dynamic routing, EIGRP, OSPF, then you can perform. See, now our neighborship is up. BGP neighborship is okay.